If you've got a Freightliner M2 and you need to get behind the dash for any reason, there are 11 of these screws that you need to remove, and they are T25s. There it is. And I don't ever use any power tools on these. Taking them off, it wouldn't be so bad, but putting them back on, if you do that, they tend to break in the back. So if you get into an M2 that has washers on it, it's because somebody used a power tool to put these back in and snapped the plastic in the back. There, all 11 of them are removed, and we can go ahead and just slide this up and put it up on top of the dash. It's often quite nasty in here. If you need to get through any panel, that's what you do. Sometimes on this panel there will be a suspension dump valve that you got to push in. That is a black circle one. This one right here, the parking brake just twists off, but if you have the dump suspension right here, then there's a pin that you have to pop out to get that out, but this one doesn't have it. Most of them actually do. And there are some more T25s in here, and don't remove a panel if you actually don't need to. And you don't need to remove anything to get the radio out. There are radio removal kits that go in here. It's basically two sides of this like U-shaped thing that you pop in there and then you pull the radio out. So if you pull the radio out or you need to, you don't actually have to tear the dash apart. What I do to prevent losing any of these is to dump them in the cup holder, and they do not tend to jump out on their own.